Hi traders, this is Greg Kelpak with the Trader's Plan on the Options Trading Desk. Today is February 14th, 2022. I'd like to give you a market update and talk about some of the trades we're looking at right now. So this is a chart of the spiders, the S&P 500, and we're getting some choppy action in the market. It's pretty volatile. We're getting, some big up days followed by big down days. When there's not trends in the market that you can jump on, it's hard to make money. It's pretty choppy. You have to have really good entry points. So if you find it difficult to make money in the market right now, well, you're not the only one. It's a choppy market. It's difficult. The Fed's under a lot of pressure right now to lower inflation. We got a very high inflation reading last week. So if the Fed responds to that by being aggressive with raising interest rates, well, that's going to slow down the economy and bring the market to a lower level in the short term, at least. So I'm betting on the downside in most of my trades. Even so, there are certain sectors and stocks that are doing well and have a good opportunity to make money on the upside. Let me show you one of those stocks that we're currently in. We did an options trade on Micron. Semiconductor index has been very strong. It hit a high a little over a month ago. Then we had this sharp pullback. Now, if you look at this candle, this time frame from this candle to that candle right in here, you see that the bottom level, the support is around 76, and the resistance, the ceiling, is up here around 85. So it had been chopping in this big range, going sideways overall. And then when it goes above that area, it's a pretty good reason to believe that the pullback is over and the uptrend is continuing. So last week, right here at this price, we bought an 85 at the money call, and it was a perfect entry point. The stock went up from there, and our options made money. We bought the 85 call and sold the 95 call for a debit of $400. This is great. It's worked out really well because we have doubled our money. We 100% profit. We've made $400 on our $400 rest. So very nice. Now, we had a sharp sell-off on Friday, and I was concerned it was going to trade down from here, but we're up today. And so right now it's still showing the uptrend is continuing. We get close to 95, I'm going to look to exit this trade for a max profit of over 100%. Okay, let's look at Rivian. Rivian has been in a steady downtrend almost since the beginning after its IPO last year. However, it has had periods where it's bounced and then basically gone sideways for 1 to 2 weeks. It did that right here back in December. And then after 1 to 2 weeks, they stomp on it and the downtrend continues, which we can see right here. So when that happened, it went from 106 all the way to 55. That's about a 50% drop. In fact, it went all the way down to 50 here. Now, we're getting sideways action for the last 2 weeks. Pretty choppy. It was down sharply on Friday. Today, it's up over $6 a share. So this thing is really volatile. However, I still think there's plenty of room for it to go down from here. We bought the 60 put, and we have an expiration of April 14th. We're only down about $50 in the trade. So there's plenty of room and plenty of time for this trade to work out. I still think it's going to go to the downside from here, starting within a week or so. Let's look at Viva Systems. Viva really has a pretty similar chart pattern. Downtrend, bounce, sideways action, choppy. So it's the same sort of thing. If it goes below 225, and not just goes below and snaps back up, but it starts to steadily go below 225, that's a good entry point to buy a put. Or the top of the range of the last 2 weeks is about 240. If it goes up to that price and starts to steadily climb from there, well, that's a breakout. I'm going to buy a call on that. So that's kind of what I'm watching right now on Viva Systems. I don't know which way it's going to go, but my bias is to the downside since it has been in a downtrend. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. If you need help in your trading and you want to receive our trade alerts so you can make money with us, then I invite you to join our community. Go to thetradersplan.com/options-income. We're making money and we're having fun too, so we'd love to have you join us. If you join and sign up right now, you'll get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We'll talk about your trading, how you're doing, and what you can do to improve and make more money in the markets. So hope you'll come join us. This is Greg Kilpack with The Trader's Plan, wishing you a very profitable week.